Hey guys, nothing fancy here. I just wanted to hit that record button and do a video for you guys on this topic because it seems to be a hot topic. And it came to my mind, and I'm like, hey, let me just do a video before my next meeting. So this is about web development and website maintenance when it comes to branding agencies or hiring a branding agency, put it that way. So one, I don't have anything against branding agencies. We partner with a handful of branding agencies, but I want to give you guys some things to consider. So web development and website maintenance is not a branding agency's expertise. Something to consider there. From my personal experience, many branding agencies outsource web development to someone overseas. There's nothing wrong with working with someone overseas, but you also have to understand what you're getting. So by working with someone overseas, it could take days to even weeks to get something completed, even a simple task. And when stuff hits the fan, trust me, you want someone US based who knows what they're doing. So here are three options to consider when it comes to working with a branding agency for a website redesign. Number one, have a website partner design, develop, and maintain your website. Your website partner should work very, very closely with your branding agency. Number two, have the branding agency design your new website and pass on the design files to your website partner to develop and maintain. And number three that came to my mind is have your branding agency design and develop your site, but have your website partner maintain the website. Hope that helps.